Don't try shake one of hands when you see us, please. Respect yourself, I beg. Hungrier than ever, 2 a.m. recordings, what be bed. Then say then gets my back, I act like I believe in that. I turn around and go stab me for dead. Swear.
What's up, guys? So it's a Henny trade. I think I've recorded this video for like 5 or 6 times. This is the last take. I said if I even make a mistake, I'm just going to trade. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I bought my GoFunded trader. I'm about to buy a 15k and use the 50% off promo code, and I think it's the new platform that is trending now, and I want to give it a try, you know, instead of going back to finding pips to buy a 10k for like $66. I think I can get a 15k for like $49 here. So that's the main reason why I'm here. So let's get into it. This is me going right from beginner, you know, right from scratch. I have not bought the account before, so I think there we go. You can see I searched GoFunded trader, and this is the first thing that came up. So let's see what. I'm new like you. I'm also new as well. Like, I'm now going to create an account with GoFunded. So if you've never bought an account with them, I think this video will be very helpful, you know. I'm now creating the account with them. After tapping on the login, this is what came up. So I'm just going to create one because I don't have an account with them, and I'm going to fill my credentials in. Crazy. After filling in my logins, I think my credentials, I think I already have an account with them, and so I'm just going to, you know, sign in and see if I remember the password. Yeah, I think I've been contemplating on buying the account since when was that? I think last month, April. Yeah, I lost my account I think in April, mid-April, and I just didn't want to trade. So let me go to the sign-in page. I think I was saved by my laptop, you know. I saved it, but it said unable to log in with provided credentials again. I'm just going to recover my email. Fuck. Alright, so I'm back, and I think it went through now, you know. I went through. So I was able to reset the password. So let me log in to see. So yeah, as you can see, I have no account with them, no payouts, no challenge, and I think this is the promo that is running off now. That is 40% off their prices, as you can see. But this is my first time buying an account, so I think they have the 50% off, and that is what I'm going for as of now. So I'm just going to close this, and you know, one thing that I don't really like about this 40% off plus buy one get one free is that after you get funded, they give you another account. You know, this is like my honest review about this. They give you another account, and one bad thing about good funded trader is that you can't copy trade on the same account. So let's say they give you another 15k, you can't take, maybe you trade gold, you can't take gold trades on both accounts. If the entries are the same, they will breach their account. So I think this is just a marketing scheme, and unless you trade two different pairs, I won't advise you to go for the BOGO 40%. And maybe if you get the other account, you can maybe just trade another pair on it. So as you can see, they said Gold's Blitz is now live. So I'm going to go to the new challenge section and buy a new challenge. It's loading, so let me pause it. So it said coupon applied successfully. What the fuck? Forgive me. Which coupon applied successfully? So let me just edit. So I think as I typed on it, they bought this. So I'm just going to the edit, and what I'm looking for is a 2-step standard good, a 15k account, yes, MT5 good, no add-ons, I think no add-ons. Let me just tap on it well, and I'm getting confused here, guys. So with the account, I think I want the gold account, two-step goat yet. Two-step ghost, and that gives me $58 for that. And I'm going to apply the coupon that is I think the first gift coupon. So I think it's all caps, first GFT. Oh, didn't show. First GFT. So first GFT, I'm just going to apply that, and let's see the price slash. Yeah, so now it brings it down to what, $49. So what I'm going to do now is to just fill in my details. I have like $100 on my card and use that to buy. Alright guys, cheers. I'm done. I'm just going to place the order now. I've filled in all my details. I'll just place the order to see if it goes through. There we go. So the order went through and I've been given the starting balance of phase 1, normal, step, two-step goods. I'm seeing another account 2, phase 1, pay later challenge. Don't really know why it is, but I didn't really go in for that. But I'm sure maybe they do have something like that when you get funded here. I do remember when you get funded, you pay, you pass phase 1, phase 2, and then you pay the account later. But I'm just not about that, you know. I'll just trade my phase 1, phase 2, 15K, and the idea is just to get funded with good funded, and then use the payout to buy a 50 or 100K from funding pips. You know, if I can't rely on my skills to buy a bigger account, I'm just in a position where I could buy a 25K or 50K or 100K, but I just want to really, you know, relax, like come down and then buy a medium tier account like a 10K or 15K, and then try to push for consistency, because I've just been all over the market. After I got funded in January and February, I've just been all over, not really concentrated. After I hit the drawdown in February, if you follow me, you know the drawdown I had in February. So this is the account. I'm going to go over this week's price action. By the time I'm recording, I'm sure we'll have Friday market close, so I'll just go over the whole week, what I was looking for. And yeah, this week has been shit, and thank God I wasn't even trading, and it was just a break-even week. And let's see, the only thing that I'm trading now is volatility 75. I shared it on my Instagram page, and I was able to catch the sell from here. I'll post the screenshots very soon. I think if you are seeing this, you see the screenshot. I was able to, you know, capitalize from here, but I'm looking to maybe catch these trades. I'm in a very tight stop now, and I'm looking for like close to like 2,400 pips or 2,200 pips. What you say, we call it a point. Constant volatility 75. It's now a blessing to be on TradingView, so I don't really have to be hustling between 2 or 4 pairs, you know. And I'll break down what I saw, like what the reason why I'm taking this trade is currently running like close to like 1-to-1 at the moment, and 1:1 at the moment. So I'll break down what I saw and the reason why I took these 2 trades this week, basically, and also how I've just been playing the waiting game on GU this whole week. You see, I just didn't get a trade. Market was very beautiful, upside, going up, coming down. It was just beautiful, but I just couldn't get a trade. So catch you in the chat breakdown soon.
Nobody gives a damn.
All right, good morning. So I'm currently hit on TP at the moment. I just woke up around 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's a Saturday. I'm hitting TP on volatility 75. This is what I've been looking at. And you know, the trick will run to the initial profit target about 200 pips, right? About 200 pips upward, 200 pips. But it's a Saturday, and of course a lot of work to do, and I don't really want to be doing the work and then, you know, checking the chat. So I just decided to close at a 1:3, giving me like an 8-hour week overall from the sell that I took and this buy as well. So quickly show you what I saw on this buy. So it's simply a double bottom that I was looking at. For volatility 75, I just trade double bottoms from the daily and then 1 hour confirmation. So you see the double bottom, we had the first touch here and then the second touch here. And so I was looking at this area. My next trading area will be this point here, or even this point. Price could come to any of this, and for me it will be valid. And so this extreme point here, as you can see, could be a potential point for a trade, and another one here. So I do believe in the sells more than the sells more than the buys, but it's not about what you believe, it's about what the market is showing us. That is how we become good traders. So yeah, so on the 4 hour, I just saw this candle stay confirmation, the bullish one up, and what I do is very simple, very simple. Once the 4 hour candle closes, okay, I can go down to the 5 minute for confirmations, right? 5 minute for confirmations, and let's go down. Let me show you what I really look at. So I have to mark the entry point, right? And so the 4 hour closes around here. What I'll be doing is I'll go to the 5 minute and I'll wait for price to go against me first. Once price goes against me, so you can see here, right? You know, you can see here the price went against me, okay, everywhere in drawdown, right? And so as the 4 hour opened here, it came down a little bit, and you can see how price held as support here and did not return, right? It did not return downwards here, right? You can see that's why I used tight stops on this. I could have even used a more tighter stop. So this was the support on a 5 minute. That was giving me the reason to enter the trade. So once price created the support, went up, tapped into the support, I was looking at this. This was like the third touch. So the first, a second. Once price comes to the entry point, that is where we're going to be taking our trade. It's unfortunate that this trade came back into loss, but I had confidence in it. That's why I didn't close. So most often these trades don't normally come into loss. They will just give us that trades, and you can stack our trades here. And that is what I do. I do my best to just flip accounts with just one entry, maybe flip my 50 to whatever I'm comfortable with. I woke up and I'm comfortable with the profit, so I just close it. So that is what basically I do. If I go back to the previous one as well, the sell that I took here, you see, it's just simple, guys, very simple. For the sell that I took around here, I'll pop the chart on the screen. As you see, I think you can see this chart now. Simple analysis as well. Let me clear all so simple analysis as well. If what I was looking at was this high, as you came to it for a double top, and then who the fuck is it? And then this area as well. So I was looking at this area. This was the first area, and this was the second area. So if you go to the H4, you can see that we had a 4 hour candle confirmation. Once the 4 hour candle confirmation came in, I just went down to the 5 minutes for confirmations. And so for confirmations, you just have to be crazy here. And if you go on my Instagram, you see how crazy I am. on volatility 75, old patient, but now I don't really like showing my entries and all those stuff. I'll just show my trading view. That is fine, because once you keep on showing your MT5 screenshots, you'll be more interested in screenshots than profits. You understand me? You'll be more interested. Most people, you see them post that they are running whatever, but mostly they don't close it. So I'll definitely be a guy who just closes profits and then do a video on it, rather than just. So as we see, the 4-hour candle closed here, and then once we saw price would go in drawdown, I was looking at this area, right? We have touch, and touch. Very simple. So this was the area we went into drawdown. As we went to drawdown, we could have taken a risky trade here, right? Like if you really want sniper to deliver. But a more confirmed area to take the trade is when price returns back to the 4-hour open, and you can see that as it returned there, price just shut down, right? So we could take the risky entry here, and I got in the trade around here, right? Around here, because I was just impatient. It was 9 o'clock. I just wanted to sleep as well. And so around 12, I think I woke up, price was here, and I said break even, and I went back to sleep again. That's how confident I am with volatility 75. I've been trading for 5 years now, and I really know what I'm doing when I come here, guys. So cheers, guys. And this week I'll just be looking at volatility 75 again, and also be trading my 15k that I've bought, and I've logged in now. I'll give you the update weekly. And cheers, guys. Let's have a nice one, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video.
Assassinate, what's your crown and why we here? I fight my inner